If you're looking for some simple, quick ways to freshen up your home and feel like you have accomplished something positive, you are in the right place. Welcome back to our 3 Quick Cleans series. My name is Larissa and this is the Concussion Crew channel. Here we focus on making life a little bit easier with tips and tricks and support from our awesome community. Today I've got 3 easy tasks that will make a big difference in your home. First up, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked, the toilet brush holder. Now, this might seem like a small thing, but adding just a little bit of all-purpose cleaner like Lysol or Clorox or even just a little bit of bleach into the holder will actually disinfect and help keep your whole bathroom smelling fresh. Every time you use your brush, just dump out into the toilet the little bit that's in there and freshen it up again. That way, whenever you use your brush, it gets a little bit of extra clean and your bathroom stays fresher for just a little bit longer. It is an easy way to knock 2 things out of the park all at once: cleaning your toilet brush and making your space feel fresher. Next, let's make sure that we are taking care of ourselves this year. It is time to swap out your old toothbrush for a new one. This is something that we often forget to do, and it's an easy win. Replacing your old toothbrush is a great habit to start off the year with, and when you unpack that new toothbrush, it feels like a little act of self-care. A fresh toothbrush helps your mouth stay healthy, which impacts your entire body, and it keeps your smile looking bright. Our 3rd quick clean this month is to wipe down the mirrors in your home. It's something that gets shuffled to the end of the list because it is not as important as using a Clorox wipe to wipe down our light switches and our door handles. It is less important than that, but visually it makes a difference. So if you are looking for something that you can do quickly that will have a positive impact on the way your space looks and feels, try a quick wipe to remove the smudges and the fingerprints. It doesn't have to be perfect, but in your front hall to come home and have a nice clean mirror is a great feeling. So there you have it. 3 quick little tasks that you can try to fit in the upcoming month that can help your home to feel fresh and clean. These little things might feel small. It doesn't take much time to grab the Lysol and just dump a little into your toilet brush holder. But when you go into the bathroom and you get that waft of lemon or lavender, whatever the all-purpose cleaner smells like, it'll make you feel good. If you're looking for more quick cleaning tips and organizational hacks, you can check out our playlist. And I'd love to hear from you guys. What is something small that you do at home that gives you a larger than proportional sense of accomplishment? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember, do not take this too seriously. If you are tired, if you are wiped out, if you do not have energy for this, that is okay. Your body, your mind, your mental health, your physical health, those are what's important. And clean mirrors can wait. All of these things are just little things you can add in when you're having a good day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will, like and subscribe, share with a friend, all the things that help us here on YouTube. And please do remember that you are not alone in this.